হেল্ল' গাইজ, আপোনালোক সকলোকে মোৰ চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি মই অসমৰ কলা সংস্কৃতি, সাহিত্য আৰু ক্ৰীড়াৰ ওপৰত 100টা অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। গতিকে আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈকে চাব। কুৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 1, হুৱেৰ ইজ হুদুমদেও পূজা চেলিব্ৰেটেড? হুদুমদেও পূজা ক'ত পালন কৰা হয়? দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ ইজ অপশ্যন এ, ৱেষ্ট গোৱালপাৰা। হুদুমদেও পূজা ইজ চেলিব্ৰেটেড এট West Goalpara. Question number 2. What is the name of the chart used by the Bihua youth during Bihu? Bihua dekai Bihu marute ব্যবহার করা চুলাটোর নাম কি? The correct answer is option A, Sapkon. The name of the chart used by the Bihua youth during Bihu is Sapkon. Question number 3. Which district of Assam is known as Land of Sotros? অসমৰ কোনখন জিলা সত্ৰ নগৰী বুলি জনা যায়? The correct answer is option B, Borpeta. The Borpeta district of Assam is known as the Sotra Nagori or Temple Town of Assam because of the many Vaishnavite Sotros in the area. Question number 4. Which one was the second film directed by Jyoti Prasad Agarwala? জ্যোতি প্ৰসাদ আগৰৱালাৰ পৰিচালিত দ্বিতীয়খন ছবি কোনখন আছিল? The correct answer is option A, Indramaloti. The second film directed by Jyoti Prasad Agarwala was Indramaloti, which was released in 1939. Question number 5. In which year Bhupen Hazarika was awarded with Dada Saheb Phalke Award? কোন বছৰত ভূপেন হাজৰিকাক দাদা চাহেব ফাল্কে বঁটাৰে সন্মানিত কৰা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, 1992. Bhupen Hazarika was awarded with Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1992. Question number 6. Which of the following is the largest circulated Assamese magazine? তলৰ কোনখন আলোচনী সৰ্বাধিক প্ৰচাৰিত অসমীয়া আলোচনী? The correct answer is option A, Bismoy. Bismoy is the largest circulated Assamese magazine. Question number 7. What is the meaning of the word I in the festival name Ali Ai Ligang? উৎসৱৰ নাম আলি আই লিগাঙত আই শব্দৰ অৰ্থ কি? The correct answer is option B, fruit. The name of the Ali Ai Ligang festival is significant because it literally means first sowing of roots and fruits. Ali means root and seed. I means fruit and Ligang means sow. Question number 8. The Boisagu festival is celebrated by which ethnic group of Assam? Boisagu উৎসৱ অসমৰ কোনটো জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option A, Bodo. The Boisagu festival is celebrated by the Bodo tribe of Assam. Question number 9. From which tribe did the Devdhani dance originate? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ পৰা দেওধনী নৃত্যৰ উৎপত্তি হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A, Bodo. Devdhani is of Bodo origin. Question number 10. The Nongkrem festival is associated with which tribe? Nongkrem উৎসৱ কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ লগত জড়িত? The correct answer is option B, Khasi tribe. The Nongkrem festival is associated with Khasi tribe. Question number 11. Varigan is a folk drama prevalent in which region of Assam? Varigan অসমৰ কোন অঞ্চলত প্ৰচলিত লোকনাট্য অনুষ্ঠান? The correct answer is option B, South Goalpara. Varigan is a folk drama prevalent at South Goalpara. Question number 12. Hornbill festival is celebrated in which state? কোনখন ৰাজ্যত হৰ্ণবিল উৎসৱ পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Nagaland. Hornbill festival is celebrated in Nagaland. Question number 13. What is the main deity worshipped in the Umpha Puja celebrated by the Ahoms? আহোমসকলে পালন কৰা উম্ফা পূজাৰ প্ৰধান উপাস্য দেৱতা কি? The correct answer is option A, Lengdon. The main deity worshipped in the Umpha Puja celebrated by the Ahoms is Lengdon. Question number 14. Which tribe celebrates Somankan and Ronkar festival? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে সমাংকান আৰু ৰংকাৰ উৎসৱ পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option C, Karbi. Karbi tribe celebrates Somangkan and Rongkar festival. Question number 15. Which tribe celebrates Alia Ligang festival? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে আলিয়া লিগাং উৎসৱ পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option A, Mising. The Mising tribe of Assam celebrates Alia Ligang festival. Question number 16. Which tribe celebrates Porak festival? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে পৰাগ উৎসৱ পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option B, Mising. The Mising tribe of Assam celebrates Porak festival. Question number 17. Bas Puja is a folk ritual of which tribe? Bas Puja কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ লোক অনুষ্ঠান? The correct answer is option B, Hajong. Bas Puja is celebrated by the Hajong tribe of Assam. Question number 18. Which tribe celebrates Sogra Misawa festival? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে Sogra Misawa উৎসৱ পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option B, Thiwa. The Thiwa tribe of Assam celebrates Sogra Misawa festival. Question number 19. Which tribe celebrates Korom Puja? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে করম পূজা পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option A, Tea tribe. The Tea tribe of Assam celebrates Korom Puja. Question number 20. Which tribe celebrates Jonbil Mela? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে জোনবিল মেলা উদযাপন কৰে? The correct answer is option A, Thiwa. The Thiwa tribe of Assam celebrates Jonbil Mela. Question number 21. Bathau Puja is a religious festival of which tribe? Bathau Puja কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ ধৰ্মীয় উৎসৱ? The correct answer is option A, Bodo. Question number 22. Which tribe celebrates Wangala festival? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে Wangala উৎসৱ পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option B, Garo. Question number 23. Which tribe celebrates Baikho festival? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে Baikho উৎসৱ পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option A, Rabha. Question number 24. Which tribe celebrates Madam Mephi festival? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে Madam Mephi উৎসৱ পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option D, Ahom. Question number 25. Which tribe celebrates Kherai Puja? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে Kherai Puja পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option C, Bodo. Question number 26. Which tribe celebrates Farkanti festival? কোন জনগোষ্ঠীয়ে Farkanti উৎসৱ পালন কৰে? The correct answer is option B, Rabha. Question number 27. When is the Mohoho festival celebrated? Mohoho উৎসৱ কেতিয়া পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C, in the month of Aghun. Question number 28. In which place of Assam is the Baresohoria Bhauna celebrated? অসমৰ কোন ঠাইত Baresohoria Bhauna উদযাপন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Jamuguri Hat. Baresohoria Bhauna is a 200-year-old drama festival held every 5 to 6 years at Jamuguri Hat, a small town in Sonitpur district, Assam. The festival was first held in 1797 to 98. Question number 29. Which of the following is an Assamese jewelry item worn in the ears? নিম্নলিখিত কোনটো হৈছে কাণত পিন্ধা এক অসমীয়া গহনা? The correct answer is option D, Thuria. Question number 30. Who is the founding father of mobile theatre in Assam? অসমৰ মোবাইল থিয়েটাৰৰ প্ৰতিষ্ঠাপক পিতৃ কোন? The correct answer is option C, Achyut Lohakar. Question number 31. Where was Srimanto Shankardev Kalakshetra established? Srimanto Shankardev Kalakshetra কেতিয়া প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1988. Question number 32. Kum Kontong and Kambang are the traditional dress for women of which tribe? কুম কণ্টং আৰু কাম্বাং কোন জনগোষ্ঠীৰ মহিলাৰ পৰম্পৰাগত সাজ পোছাক? The correct answer is option A, Rabha. Question number 33. Who directed the film Pioli Fucon? Pioli Fucon ছবিখন কোনে পৰিচালনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option B, Phony Sharma. In 1955, the movie Pioli Fucon, based on his life, was released. It was directed by Phony Sharma, who received the Certificate of Merit. Question number 34. In which date the Sangeet Natak Academy recognized Satriya Nritya? কোন তাৰিখত সংগীত নাটক একাডেমীয়ে সত্ৰীয়া নৃত্যক স্বীকৃতি দিছিল? The correct answer is option B, November 15, 2000. Question number 35. How many ঘোষাs are there in the নাম ঘোষা? নাম ঘোষাত কিমান ঘোষা আছে? The correct answer is option C, 1000. Question number 36. What is Satriya Nritya performed with? সত্ৰীয়া নৃত্য কিহৰ সৈতে পৰিৱেশন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option B, Onkiya Bhauna. Question number 37. What are the plays of Mahapurush Madhavdev called? মহাপুৰুষ মাধৱদেৱৰ নাটকক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? The correct answer is option A, Jhumura. The plays written by Srimanta Madhavdev are known as Jhumuras. Arjun Bhanjan is another play written by him. Question number 38. When was Srimanta Shankardev born? Srimanta Shankardevar জন্ম কেতিয়া হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B, 1449. Srimanta Shankardev was born on 26 September 1449 at Ali Pukhuri near Bordua of Nagaon district. His father's name was Kusumbar Bhuya and mother's name was Saitya Sandhya Devi. His grandmother's name was Khersuti. He died at Bheladunga in Coach Bihar in 1568. Question number 39. When was Srimanta Madhavdev born? Srimanta Madhavdevar জন্ম কেতিয়া হৈছিল? The correct answer is option D, 1489. Srimanta Madhavdev was born in May or June of 1489 in Leteku Pukhuri, Lakhimpur district, Assam. He died in 1596 at Bhelasatra in Coach Bihar. Question number 40. Which is the smallest among all books written by Shankardev? শংকৰদেৱে লিখা সকলো গ্ৰন্থৰ ভিতৰত কোনখন গ্ৰন্থ আটাইতকৈ সৰু? The correct answer is option A, Gunamala. Question number 41. Who is known as the father of Assamese prose literature? অসমীয়া গদ্য সাহিত্যৰ পিতৃ হিচাপে কাক জনা যায়? The correct answer is option B, Bhattadeva. Question number 42. Who was the author of Tungkhungia Buronji? Tungkhungia Buronjir লেখক কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option B, Srinath Dwara Borborua. Question number 43. Hosti Vidyarnabha was written by? Hosti Vidyarnab লিখিছিল? The correct answer is option B, Sukumar Borkait. Question number 44. Dorong Raj Bhansawali was written by? Dorong Raj Bhamsawali লিখিছিল? The correct answer is option D, Surya Khadi Doivhokno. Question number 45. Who is the author of the book Asamiya Sahityor Buronji? অসমীয়া সাহিত্যৰ বুৰঞ্জী গ্ৰন্থখনৰ লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option C, Devendranath Bezborua. Question number 46. The book Discovery of Assam was written by? Discovery of Assam নামৰ গ্ৰন্থখন ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option B, Satish Chandra Kakoti. Discovery of Assam was written by Satish Chandra Kakoti. The book was published in 1958 by Kakoti. Discovery of Assam covers the history and politics of Assam, India. Question number 47. The biography Smritir Tirtho is written on the life of জীৱনৰ ওপৰত ৰচনা কৰা হৈছে স্মৃতি তীৰ্থ জীৱনী. The correct answer is option C. Nobin Chandra Bordoloi. Smritir Tirtho is a biography written by Nolinibala Devi about the life of Nobin Chandra Bordoloi. Smritir Tirtho was published in 1948. Question number 48. Which was the first Assamese language magazine? প্ৰথম অসমীয়া ভাষাৰ আলোচনী কোনখন আছিল? The correct answer is option C. Orunodoi. Orunodoi was the first magazine published in the Assamese language. It was published in 1846 in Shivsagar, Assam. The magazine was printed by the Baptist Missionary Press. Dr. Nathan Brown was the first editor of Orunodoi. Question number 49. Who is the author of the novel Deo Langkhui? Deo Langkhui উপন্যাসখনৰ লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option A. Rita Chaudhuri. Rita Chaudhuri received Sahitya Academy Award in 2008 for the novel Deo Langkhui, which is based on the Tiwas of Assam. Question number 50. Who composed the Kirtan Ghosa? Kirtan Ghosa কোনে ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A. Srimanta Shankar Dev. Question number 51. Who is the author of Kathoni Bari Ghat, a collection of short stories? Kathoni Bari Ghat গল্প সংকলনৰ লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option D. Mohim Bora. Kathoni Bari Ghat was first published on January 1, 1961. Mohim Bora is known as the Rongazia poet in Assamese literature. He received Sahitya Academy Award in 2001 for his novel Edhani Mahir Hahi. Question number 52. What was the first modern Assamese play? প্ৰথম আধুনিক অসমীয়া নাটক কি আছিল? The correct answer is option B. Ram Navami Natok. Ram Navami Natok, written by Gunaviram Borua, was the first modern Assamese play or social play. It was written in 1857 and published in book form in 1870. Question number 53. Which one is considered as the first Assamese sonnet? কোনটোক প্ৰথম অসমীয়া sonnet বুলি গণ্য কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option C. Priyatamar Sithi. Fulor Saki, The Bunch of Flowers by Hemchandra Goswami is the first book to publish an Assamese sonnet. The sonnet is titled Priyatamar Sithi, a letter from the beloved. Fulor Saki was published in 1907. Question number 54. Which one is considered as the first Assamese romantic poem? কোনটোক প্ৰথম অসমীয়া ৰোমান্টিক কবিতা বুলি গণ্য কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option A. Bon Quarry. Bon Quarry, The Wood Nymph by Chandrakumar Agarwala is considered as the first romantic poem in Assamese. It was published in the magazine Jonaki, which marked the beginning of the romantic era in Assamese literature. Question number 55. What was the first Assamese children magazine? প্ৰথম অসমীয়া শিশু আলোচনীখন কি আছিল? The correct answer is option B. Lora Bondhu. Lora Bondhu, Friend of Boys, was the first Assamese children's magazine, published in 1888. Karunaviram Borua, the son of Gunaviram Borua, edited the magazine. Question number 56. Sagar Dekhisa, a collection of Assamese poems, was written by Sagar Dekhisa. অসমীয়া কবিতা সংকলন ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option A. Devakanta Borua. The book Sagar Dekhisa is first published in the year 1945 from Shillong. Devakanta Borua is the first Assamese president of the Indian National Congress. Question number 57. What is the name of the only novel written by Rohras Lakshminath Bes Borua? Rohras Lakshminath Bes Boruai লিখা একমাত্ৰ উপন্যাসখনৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option C. Podum Kuori. Junbiri is a collection of short stories written by Lakshminath Besbarua in 1913. Kodomkoli is his collection of poetry written in 1913. Surabhi is the first Assamese short story collection written by Lakshminath Besbarua and published in 1909. Question number 58. Who was the first Assamese to receive the Sahitya Academy Award? সাহিত্য অকাডেমি বঁটা লাভ কৰা প্ৰথম অসমীয়া কোন? The correct answer is option A. Jatindranath Dwara. Jatindranath Dwara was the first Assamese to receive the Sahitya Academy Award in 1955 for his poetry book Born Fool. Question number 59. Who was the first editor of the Jonaki magazine? জোনাকী আলোচনীৰ প্ৰথম সম্পাদক কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option B. Chandra Kumar Agarwala. Chandra Kumar Agarwala was the first editor of the Assamese language magazine Jonaki. Jonaki was first published in 1889. Question number 60. Who composed the religious songs Zikir and Jari? Zikir আৰু Jari ধৰ্মীয় গীত কোনে ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option B. Azan Fakir. Azan Fakir was a Sufi saint who came to Assam from Baghdad in the 17th century. Azan Fakir, also known as Shah Miran, composed the religious songs Zikir and Jari. These songs are a part of the Assamese devotional folk music genre. Question number 61. Who composed the song Shiro Senehi Mur Bhasha Janoni? Shiro Senehi Mur Bhasha Janoni গীতটো কোনে ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D. Mitradev Mohanto. Shiro Senehi Mur Bhasha Janoni is the opening song of the Assam Sahitya Sabha. Question number 62. Which of the following novels was written by Padmasri Rongbong Terang? তলৰ কোনখন উপন্যাস পদ্মশ্ৰী ৰংবং তেৰাঙে ৰচনা কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option C. Rongmilir Hahi. Question number 63. Who translated the Mahabharata into Assamese? মহাভাৰত কোনে অসমীয়ালৈ অনুবাদ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option C. Rama Saraswati. Question number 64. In which year and where was the first session of the Assam Sahitya Sabha held? কোন বছৰত আৰু ক'ত অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ প্ৰথম অধিৱেশন অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option B. 1917 Shivsagar. Question number 65. Who translated the Ramayana into Assamese? ৰামায়ণ কোনে অসমীয়ালৈ অনুবাদ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D. Madhava Kondoli. Question number 66. Which person's pseudonym is Bina Borua? কোনজন ব্যক্তিৰ ছদ্মনাম বিনা বৰুৱা? The correct answer is option C. Birinchi Kumar Borua. Question number 67. Who conferred the Sudhakanta title to Dr. Bhupen Hazarika? Dr. Bhupen Hazarika কোনে সুধাকন্ত উপাধি প্ৰদান কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D. Ananda Chandra Borua. Question number 68. In which year was Hemkosh first published? কোন চনত হেমকোষ প্ৰথম প্ৰকাশ হৈছিল? The correct answer is option D. 1900. Hemkosh is the first etymological dictionary of the Assamese language based on Sanskrit spellings compiled by Hemchandra Borua. Question number 69. What is the name of Homen Borgohai's autobiography? হোমেন বৰগোহাঁইৰ আত্মজীৱনীৰ নাম কি? The correct answer is option A. Atmanusandhan. এৰি অহা দিনবোৰ is the autobiography of Nalinibala Devi. মোৰ জীৱন সোৱৰণ is the autobiography of Lakshminath Besbarua. And জীৱন বৃত্ত is the autobiography of Bhavendranath Soikia. Question number 70. Who was the first president of the Assam Sahitya Sabha? অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ প্ৰথম সভাপতি কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option B. Padmanath Gohai Borua. Chandradhar Borua was the second president of Assam Sahitya Sabha. Dr. Basanta Kumar Goswami is the current president of Assam Sahitya Sabha. The headquarters of Assam Sahitya Sabha is located at Jorhat. Question number 71. Who is the author of the novel Pita Putra? Pita Putra উপন্যাসখনৰ লেখক কোন? The correct answer is option C. Homen Borgohai. Homen Borgohai was awarded with Sahitya Academy Award in Assamese language in 1978 for his novel Pita Putra. Borgohai's only collection of poems is Hoymonthi, published in 1987. Question number 72. The logo of the Assam Sahitya Sabha was designed by Ahom Sahitya Sabhar logo design কৰিছিল. The correct answer is option B. Jugal Das. Question number 73. In Assamese literature, who is known as Ekhut Kokaideo? অসমীয়া সাহিত্যত এখুত ককাইদেউ নামেৰে কাক জনা যায়? The correct answer is option A. Nobokanta Borua. Question number 74. Who conferred the Kolaguru title to Bishnu Prasad Rabha? Bishnu Prasad Rabhak কোনে কলাগুৰু উপাধি প্ৰদান কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option B. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Question number 75. Who was the author of Buronji Vivek Ratna? Buronji Vivek Ratna নামৰ গ্ৰন্থখনৰ লেখক কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option A. Moniram Dewan. Question number 76. The Bodo Sahitya Sabha was founded in which year? Boru Sahitya Sabha কোন বছৰত প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A. 1952. The Bodo Sahitya Sabha was established on November 16, 1952 in Basugao, Assam. Joybhodro Hakjer was the first president of the Bodo Sahitya Sabha, serving from 1952 to 1966. Dr. Suroth Narjari is the current president of the Bodo Sahitya Sabha. He has held the position since 2023. Question number 77. Who was the first woman president of the Assam Sahitya Sabha? অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ প্ৰথম মহিলা সভানেত্ৰী কোন আছিল? The correct answer is option C. Nalini Bala Devi. Question number 78. Lakshminath Bezborua's poem O Mor Apunar Desh was first published in Lakshminath Bezboruar কবিতা O Mor Apunar Desh প্ৰথম প্ৰকাশ হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A. Bahi. Lakshminath Bezborua's poem O Mor Apunar Desh was first published in an Assamese magazine named Bahi in 1909. It was officially adopted as the Assam's state song in 1927. The tune of the poem was made by Kamala Prasad Agarwala. Question number 79. Syed Abdul Malik won the Sahitya Academy Award in 1972 for which novel? Syed Abdul Malike 1972 চনত কোনখন উপন্যাসৰ বাবে সাহিত্য একাডেমী বঁটা লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D. অঘৰী আত্মাৰ কাহিনী. Question number 80. Which of the following was the last work of Shankardev? তলৰ কোনখন শংকৰদেৱৰ শেষ ৰচনা আছিল? The correct answer is option B. Sri Ram Vijaya. Srimanta Shankardeva's last work was the play Sri Ram Vijaya, which he composed in 1568 AD. He wrote the play at the request of Chilarai. Question number 81. When did Laflina Borgohai win the Arjuna Award? Laflina Borgohaiয়ে কেতিয়া অৰ্জুন বঁটা লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D. 2020. Question number 82. Who is the first Olympic medalist from Assam? অসমৰ প্ৰথম অলিম্পিক পদক বিজয়ী কোন? The correct answer is option D. Laflina Borgohai. Question number 83. Whose birthday is celebrated as Abhiruchi Sports Day in Assam? অসমত অভিৰুচি ক্ৰীড়া দিৱস হিচাপে কাৰ জন্মদিন পালন কৰা হয়? The correct answer is option B. Bhugeshwar Borua. Abhiruchi Sports Day is celebrated annually on September 3. Bhugeshwar Borua was the first Arjuna awardee from Assam. He won a gold medal in the 800-meter running event at the 1966 Asian Games. Question number 84. In which track and field sports does Hima Das participate? কোনবোৰ ট্ৰেক আৰু ফিল্ড খেলত হিমা দাসে অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰে? The correct answer is option C. Sprints, short distance. Question number 85. How many people from Assam have won the Arjuna Award till now? অসমৰ কিমানজন এতিয়ালৈকে অৰ্জুন বঁটা লাভ কৰিছে? The correct answer is option C. 7. Bhugeshwar Borua is the first Arjuna Award winner from Assam. The Arjuna Award winners from Assam are Bhugeshwar Borua, Monalisa Borua, Jayanta Talukdar, Shiva Thapa, Hima Das, Laflina Borgohai, and Noyanmoni Soikia. Question number 86. Who is the first Assamese athlete to win a gold medal in the World Archery Championships? বিশ্ব আৰ্চাৰী চেম্পিয়নশ্বিপত স্বৰ্ণ পদক লাভ কৰা প্ৰথমজন অসমীয়া খেলুৱৈ কোন? The correct answer is option D. Jayanta Talukdar. Question number 87. Who is the first Assamese to win a gold medal in a track event at the IAAF U20 Championships? IAAF 20 বছৰ অনূৰ্ধ্ব চেম্পিয়নশ্বিপত ট্ৰেক ইভেণ্টত স্বৰ্ণ পদক লাভ কৰা প্ৰথমজন অসমীয়া কোন? The correct answer is option B. Hima Das. Question number 88. Riyan Porak is a Riyan Porak হৈছে এজন The correct answer is option B. Cricket player. Riyan Porak is an Indian international cricketer who plays for the Indian cricket team. He is the captain of Assam in domestic cricket and plays for Rajasthan Royals in the Indian Premier League. Question number 89. Which state has emerged as the overall champion in the North-East Games 2024? North-East Games 2024 কোনখন ৰাজ্য সামগ্ৰিক চেম্পিয়ন হিচাপে আত্মপ্ৰকাশ কৰিছে? The correct answer is option D. Manipur. Manipur was the overall champion of the 2024 North-East Games, winning a total of 130 medals, 52 gold medals, 38 silver medals, and 40 bronze medals. Question number 90. What is the nickname of sprinter Hima Das? Sprinter Hima Dasৰ উপনাম কি? The correct answer is option A. Dhing Express. Question number 91. In which category Laflina Borgohai won silver in boxing in the Asian Games in 2023? 2023 চনত এছিয়ান গেমছত বক্সিঙত লাভলিনা বৰগোহাঁই কোনটো শাখাত ৰূপৰ পদক লাভ কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option C. 75 kg. Laflina Borgohai won a silver medal in the women's 75 kg boxing event at the 2023 Asian Games in Hangzhou. She lost to China's Li Qian in the final by unanimous decision. Question number 92. What was the name of the mascot of 33rd National Games held in Guwahati? গুৱাহাটীত অনুষ্ঠিত 33 সংখ্যক ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় ক্ৰীড়াৰ মাস্কটৰ নাম কি আছিল? The correct answer is option B. Rongmon. Question number 93. In which year was the Nehru Stadium established? কোন চনত নেহৰু ষ্টেডিয়াম প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C. 1962. Question number 94. In which year was the Assam Football Association established? কোন চনত অসম ফুটবল সন্থা প্ৰতিষ্ঠা হৈছিল? The correct answer is option D. 1946. Question number 95. In which year was the Bordoloi Trophy tournament started? কোন বছৰত বৰদলৈ ট্ৰফি প্ৰতিযোগিতা আৰম্ভ হৈছিল? The correct answer is option A. 1952. Question number 96. In which year was the Assam Cricket Association formed? কোন চনত অসম ক্ৰিকেট সন্থা গঠন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, 1948. Question number 97. When was National Games held in Assam? অসমত কেতিয়া ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় খেল অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, 2007. Question number 98. In which year was the All Assam Tennis Association formed? সদৌ অসম টেনিছ সন্থা কোন চনত গঠন হৈছিল? The correct answer is option C, 1957. Question number 99. In which sport did Monalisa Borua and Tridip Dora represent Assam? কোন খেলত মনালিসা বৰুৱা আৰু ত্ৰিদীপ দুৱৰাই অসমক প্ৰতিনিধিত্ব কৰিছিল? The correct answer is option D, table tennis. Question number 100. In which sport do Tania Chaudhary and Nayanmani Soikia from Assam represent India? কোনটো খেলত অসমৰ পৰা তানিয়া চৌধুৰী আৰু নয়নমণি শইকীয়াই ভাৰতক প্ৰতিনিধিত্ব কৰে? The correct answer is option A, lawn bowls.